everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Salem Rain, and today I'm showing you my recipe for coleslaw. Let's get going. In this large bowl, I have shredded in the food processor a half of a head of green cabbage and a half of a head of red cabbage. I used a food processor to shred the cabbage. Of course, if you don't have a food processor, just really finely chop it. I'm going to add 2 carrots that I hand grated. Toss this together. I find using tongs is the best way to mix up my coleslaw. The cabbage can be pretty dense and hard to stir. Look at the pretty colors. Set that aside. Let's make the dressing. I'm going to add a half of a cup of full fat mayonnaise and a half of a cup of sour cream. In this little glass dish, I have a quarter of a cup of grated red onion. Once grated, it becomes much like a puree. We want the punch of flavor from the red onion, but I don't want the texture of the red onion. It also adds extra moistness. On this little plate, I have 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of dry mustard, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of celery seeds. Here I have 2 tablespoons of plain white vinegar, a half of a cup of roasted, salted sunflower seeds. The sunflower seeds add a wonderful texture, hit of salt, and fantastic crunch. Give it a whisk. Pour it over your coleslaw mix. Toss it up. So easy, so colorful, so bright and tangy. You'll want to eat the whole bowl. Perfect for the backyard barbecues, picnics, potlucks. Throw it in a pulled pork sandwich. A great side for anything you grill. I hope you enjoy this super easy recipe. See you again next time.